we're gonna open all of the 10 toys. So we will start with this fishing game. We will open here and we will take out the fishing game. This is bubble machine. Wow! 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 Now I done 5 toys. 5 toys left. I will choose this one. Yeah, I open it. Wow. I will load this. Now I'm gonna take this one. Wow, I like it. I'm gonna take is this. Next I'm gonna take is this train. Nine finish. Now one more left. This one. I like it a lot. Serious? Oh, it's too much. I will make a separate video. Which is your favorite? Comment down below.